welcome back to our channel. Upgrade your driving experience with the Volam 10.25-inch CarPlay Screen, a sleek display designed to bring smarter navigation, entertainment, and seamless connectivity to your car. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, this screen transforms your dashboard into a modern command center, giving you easy access to maps, music, calls, and more, all while keeping your focus on the road. 10.25-inch CarPlay screen with Netflix YouTube apps, turn your car into the ultimate entertainment hub. Built-in Netflix and YouTube let you stream directly by connecting to your phone's hotspot. Plus, wireless CarPlay Android Auto make hands-free calls, music, and navigation effortless with voice commands. Say goodbye to boring drives, enjoy every time. Built-in apps like Netflix, YouTube, upgrade your ride, ditch the boredom, crank up the action. With built-in Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, apps on your 10.25-inch CarPlay screen, every trip becomes a mini theater and live arena. Stream shows, movies, and even catch live football and basketball games, no phone needed. In-cell Brilliance, thinner, clearer, faster. Tired of squinting at tiny, laggy screens? Upgrade your drive with a stunning 10.25-inch in-cell display, ultra-thin, 1920x720p clarity, ultra-responsive touch. Its sleek narrow bezel pulls you into sharp maps, vivid videos, and smooth control, making every ride feel first class. 1080p backup cam for easy parking. Worried about scratching your car while backing up? Our 1080p backup camera activates automatically in reverse, delivering a clear view day or night. Customizable guidelines ensure precise parking, making every reverse stress-free and safe. Custom boot logo wallpapers. Personalize your CarPlay screen with custom boot animations and wallpapers to showcase your style every time you start your car. Simply upload your files via an SD card, not included, to easily customize your display and make your drive truly yours. Instant wake technology, zero wait, say goodbye to annoying boot-up delays. Our instant wake feature, powered by a built-in battery, lets your screen turn back on the moment you restart your vehicle. Get instant access to maps, music, and media without ever missing a beat. Your entertainment picks up right where you left off, making every drive smooth and effortlessly connected. The Volam 10.25-foot CarPlay screen is more than just an upgrade, it's a game changer for your car's infotainment system. Stay connected, drive smarter, and enjoy every journey with style and convenience. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.